In this video, I will show you an idea how to take a full-page screenshot of your page. Hello and welcome. Thank you for coming and joining me in this video. My name is Artur, and here at my channel I'm showing you various web dev ideas. Developing frontend is only the first part of the fun. The second one is to share your results with the world. For that, screenshots are great, because they allow you to configure everything the way you like. In this video, I will show you various ways to create screenshots in Edge. For other browsers, see the links above. Creating screenshots on Edge is really simple. All you need to do is click on the three dots in here and find Web Capture. Now you can select either Capture Area or Capture Full Screen. I'll go with Area first and select just contact information and address. I can also adjust this a little. If I wanted, I could mark up this capture a little. Now I can either copy it to my clipboard or save on hard drive. And let's open. And here it is. Really simple. Another option is to go with full page screenshot. So again, three dots in here and web capture and capture full screen. And it's done. Look, my complete website is selected in here. Again, I can annotate my screenshot the way I want. I can erase, I can copy or save somewhere on hard drive. Let's open it. The screenshot is done. However, look, there is something not really right about this. It is too wide. I would like to be limited just to the container. So how to do this? Let's close this. The way I do it is usually I open the DevTools with F12. You can also right click and go with Inspect. And then I use the size of this panel to adjust the size of my viewport. Now again, three dots in here, web capture, full screen capture. And this is narrower now. So let's save again and open. And this is exactly something that I wanted. Finally, similar to Chrome, you can install a GoFullPage add-on in here. I will download it right now, add extension, and let's see in a moment. After installing the extension, in my extensions bar in here, I can go with GoFullPage. Nothing I need to do, it just scrolls down and downloads the image. Now I can right click it and either copy or save as PDF or as an image. Let's go with an image and now save. Open file and the screenshot is done. Another option that you might want to consider when you need just a fragment of the page to be screenshotted, you can use the Windows built-in functionality. Let's scroll down and I would like, for example, to copy this work experience part. Now I can use the Windows shortcut that's Shift, Logo and S. This opens me this nice bar above where I can select either rectangular snip or freeform or window or full screen. I'll go with freeform right now and I will use this to select this nice rough circle. This opens that for me. I can now edit whatever way I like. I can, for example, highlight or use some annotations in here. Of course, I can also remove them. Now I can copy or save wherever I want. And this is my screenshot. Look, this time, this has this fancy shape instead of rectangle. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you will find the presented screen capture ideas useful. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe. Please let me know in the comments down below what other ideas and challenges you would like to see here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.